Hi, my name is Eric Tridas. I am a PhD candidate in mechanical engineering, and I am currently working with 3D printing as part of my studies. Right now I'm investigating how commercial 3D printing technologies can be utilized for vacuum applications.
Hey guys, my name is Justin Nussbaum. I'm a mechanical engineering PhD student here at USF. I've been working on designing and building 3D printers since I was an undergraduate student. Currently have one patent related to 3D printing and another one soon to be pending. We've been able to negotiate a really great deal on these 3D printers, which is going to include 2 rolls of filament and 2 extruders as well. This either allows you to print with 2 different colors or with a dissolvable support material in your build material.
We found that these printers weren't actually print ready out of the box and needed a few tweaks and additional parts that Justin and I will supply through the workshop.
We're going to guide you all the way through the construction of this printer step by step, from the nuts and bolts all the way to the calibration and printing instructions. You'll leave this class with all the tools and software that you need to successfully print anything that you can imagine. Thank you.